Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning into this tutorial. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading, installing, and setting up Kali Linux on Oracle VirtualBox. First, let's download Kali Linux. Open your browser, search for Kali Linux, and click on the download option. Follow the steps as I demonstrate on the screen to get the installer file. Next, download Oracle VirtualBox, which we'll use to install Kali Linux. Once the download is complete, install the VirtualBox application. After that, open the VirtualBox to start setting up your Kali Linux virtual machine. Click on New and configure the settings as I show you. This process might take a few minutes, so please be patient. When prompted, set up your host name, username, and password. For partitioning the disk, follow the steps shown on the screen. The installation process will take around 15 minutes. Once it's complete, select Continue to reboot the system. After the reboot, open the terminal and run the commands for updating and upgrading the system. Follow along with the commands displayed on the screen. once the update is complete, reboot the system again. Now, for setting up the usual applications, write the command I've shown on the screen and press enter to proceed. After completing this process, reboot the system one last time. You'll now see all the standard applications for Kali Linux ready to use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.